Should I put some gloss on because I literally don't have any gloss? Should I do it again? Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Akshita Pagal and today we are doing the must-have list. For those who are new here, let me just tell you what the must-have list is. Basically, throughout the month, I try different products, or either they are gifted to me by PR, but it's not sponsored because I don't do anything that's sponsored on YouTube. So yeah, I try those products throughout the month, and by the end of the month, for example, today is the 31st of July, so I'm going to give you a list of products that are worth your money, every single penny. So shall we start? Was it echoing? Yeah, I'm in my bathroom, that's why. Anyways, let's start with the products. What should we start with? I was thinking we'll start with makeup, skincare, hair care, and other devices or something, because this time I did buy devices, last time I did not, and they are worth it. They're so good. Oh, this does not include in that, but my best purchase this month has to be these glasses, because now I can see you guys properly. They are by Lenskart. I'm gonna link everything down below, so don't worry about it. But right now I'm not gonna wear them because it's close distance. I can still see you. Anyways, let's start with makeup. I'm so excited. The first product is a good concealer that does not crease, that literally gives you the best coverage. And do you know how I know about it? How I came to know about it? It's because I saw a girl post it on her story, like her face of makeup, and I literally DM'd her saying, bro, I need to know what concealer you're using because mine is breaking. I was using the one by K by Katrina, and I've been using it for almost a year. Last time when I went to Ahmedabad, I did buy another one because I loved how the consistency was in summer. But as we are moving to monsoon and winter, I don't think so it's suitable for my skin. I think it cracks under my eyes and it's very flaky. I think that was my complaint in the start also, even though the match was very good. And that was my complaint till now. You have to forgive me, it's 1 AM right now. Anyways, the best concealer, drum roll please. This one by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and let me just tell you this, all you need is to, and good to go. Literally it will blur out that region. I'm not even exaggerating. This about retails for 700 to 800, worth every single penny. Also my mother has the foundation for the same range. Amazing, very good. Moving on to eyes. Lately, I've not been into putting eyeliners. I've been into doing mascaras and eyeshadows. So my favorite palette is this. This is by Lakme. I do love Indian brands when they nail it. This one is by Lakme. This one is their Spotlight eyeshadow palette in Smoky Glam. And the shades that I use most are the black one. Is the black, brown, pale brown. Basically what I do is I put the pale brown all over my lid, the brown just right over here, and add a little bit of black to it, and then do a mascara and curl my lashes, and it's a look. It's basically giving yourself a little oomph without trying too much, because let's be honest, eyeliner, I'm not getting good at it, okay? Also, I do love this blue shade. This was the one reason why I bought it. But I think I'm using these three the most. Also, if any Mua is watching, let me know how you use these because I'm not able to figure that out. Moving on to brushes. Should I do brush right now or should I do like mascara? Okay, let me do brush. This is my favorite brush. This one is by Mars. It's their 4-in-1 brush. The first one I use for powder. This one I use specifically for concealer under the eyes or around my nose because it gets so oily. Then this one I use for the light brown, and this one, let me open it. This one I use for the light brown, and this one I use for the dark brown and sometimes black. For black I usually use the sponge that's in it, but these two are my favorite. It's such a good brush and I love how portable it is. I literally took this to Pune, Ahmedabad, everywhere. Moving on to mascara. Oh my god. I have been a Maybelline girl for such a long time and I did not venture into other mascaras, okay? Until I saw this reel by Lesbian Lipsticks where she literally explains you what type of mascara you should be using for your face. And my one concern is I don't want them to look full. I want them to curl. I want them to give long, luscious, hara bhara. So this is mascara that I'm using. Instead of the Colossal, I bought this one, and this is a game changer. Do you want to see? I literally applied it this morning. It's still there. Look at the lashes, how long they are. Oh my god, wait. This is so scary, but look how long they are. I'll just post a picture. I literally bought this on the airport, applied it throughout my Pune trip, and have been fangirling over this. It's that good. Now, moving and talking about Indian brand, Mars Cosmetic. Now, this is a PR. Is it sponsored? No. Was I paid? Absolutely not, because we don't do that on YouTube or on Instagram. But even on Instagram, I just posted a story because they sent it. Other than that, I was not paid whatsoever. The blushes. Let me just tell you. Have you used the K by Katrina blushes? Because this is the same thing. This is the same thing, and the range, the colors, phenomenal. Phenomenal. But my favorite has to be Dawn, which is an orange color. Let me show you how it looks. Right now it must be coming out to be peachy, but it's more on the orange tone. And it's super pigmented. Let me just tell you this. It's super pigmented. One dot is more than enough for your face. I still have so much left, and I'm looking like a... Okay, I don't use a brush. I'm looking at like a bundle, but yeah, you get it. Also, it's buildable and it mattifies. Like, it gives you a shine, but still it mattifies. It's not a tint. It's not a tint, so don't apply it on your lips, because I did try that. Did not work. Okay, now that I'm blushed, moving on, and I have still so much of product left. Waste of it, no? I just took one little drop and still it covered everything. Now, coming to glosses. This one by Sephora. And let me show you what I do with this. I basically apply any pH gloss or any lipstick. So now I've applied this pH gloss, and then I'm gonna go over with this clear gloss. And the shine that this gives you is phenomenal. Plus it looks like I've got Botox. I'm not, but still. Look how amazing it is. I did not apply too much because literally I'm gonna remove my makeup and sleep, but you get the point. You get the point how amazing my lips look. Like, right now that I'm talking, you're not looking at my cheeks, you're looking at my smile literally doubles every time I apply this. Moving on, do we have anything else? Last thing in makeup is this K by Katrina's silver kajal, like silver liner, and I have been loving it. I don't know what shade this is. I'm gonna link it down below, but it's so shimmery, so nice. I absolutely love it. Basically what I do is I either put it on the inner corners like this, or I put it on the lash line. Right now it's not sharpened, so I'm not going to do that, but you get the point. And it looks so amazing, so amazing. I'm just waiting for me to go to a concert so I can apply it as a liner and apply a black liner on top of it and create like a 3D effect. Anyways, moving on. Now that we are done with makeup, let's move on to skincare. I'm gonna be honest, this time skincare was kind of disappointing for me. All I found was a lip mask, a good niacinamide moisturizer, serum, not even moisturizer, serum. I'm still on the hunt of a good moisturizer, I'll be very, very honest with you. And sunscreen, I'm still using the Thank You Farmer one. So we just have this serum by Plum, which I am a big fan of. And you'll be like, Akshita, this has to be a gimmick because everyone is posting about it. Yeah, they're getting paid for it. I bought this from my own money, okay? And this is a game changer. It's literally empty. And I've placed another order from Nykaa because this is that good. And every time some girl like DMs me and is like, Akshita, I need a good serum recommendation, go for this one. Go for this one. I'm telling you, this just gives your skin that hydration. Also, I use it at night before my moisturizer. I don't do this in the morning because I don't have that much time. I do this at night and then I do my gua sha. That's how my day starts. Day ends. Now for moisturizer, I'm not using anything as such, and I'm not fangirling on anything as such. But currently I'm using the Johnson's Baby. I'm not recommending it, but I'm using this. Let me just clarify. Also, last thing in the skincare game is a lip mask. Right now I cannot find it because let's be honest, I can never find my lippies. But I have been obsessed with this one lip mask. Why? Because it's that thick. And I've used a lot of lip masks. I've used Laneige, I've used this one, I've used other brands also. But those are glosses. This is a lip mask. This just hydrates your lip, and in the morning I just look so good. Like throughout my trip to Pune, I was using this baby. That's it for skin. Let's move on to hair. Hair, I've got a few products. First things first, I'm so sorry my hair today is very messy. I can't be that distracted. Anyways, I have to wash it tonight. First things first is this hair growth serum. This one is by Wishcare, and let me just tell you, I got this a month ago, 1.5 months ago, and it's already half empty. I wash my hair at least 2 times a week, and right after washing, when it's 50% dry, I apply this baby and it changes the game altogether. It's been more smoother, and I'm someone with folliculitis. I've never shared this story, but I do have folliculitis, and this does not aggravate it. Moving on to hair. I am a lazy person. When I go in the shower, I am so sorry, I don't have the time to condition, so I use a leave-in conditioner, and this one by Redken, let's be honest, this was PR. But it's dealt with in February, so I can give you my honest review. This is worth it. This is everything that they claim, and this is so good, hassle-free, also works as a heat protector. I absolutely love it. It is expensive, I'm not gonna lie, it's very expensive. But if you have the budget for it, and I'm pretty sure that this tube is gonna take me a very long time. I only use it once a week. Even though I'll wash my hair twice or thrice a week, I'm just gonna use it once. Now sticking with hair care, I love this. I love this comb. And you're like, Akshata, we were expecting a product. This comb. This comb is so easy to clean. Super hassle free. You might think that the bristles are gonna be very harmful for your scalp. No. Also, given the fact that it's so easy to clean, what I do is every time I take a shower or every time I wash my hair, I'll wash my comb with it. It's plastic, so it'll dry off very easily, and given it's plastic, it's gonna last me such a long time. Plus it's pink. You know, sometimes those plastic combs do have some, residue which breaks your hair. This does not give you breakage. This will not give you breakage. Every time I use any brushes, usually there are bits and pieces of my hair, like not long strands, but smaller strands, and it just breaks my heart. This, nope, it's not happening. Also, I've gotten into a habit of like at least brushing my hair thrice a day, not one single small strand, all long, but that's my fault, okay? But this one is really good. If you can, buy it. Let's talk about personal care. I think I've done this twice, all the time different recommendations, but this time I'm also adding personal care because we know how important it is. So let's talk about female menstrual cycle. I'm not going to give you a history or anything, I'm just going to give you my pad recommendation, so don't worry about it. Even men, if you're watching, and if your girl or your sister asks for pad recommendation, this is the one. She might not ask you for pad recommendation, she might ask you for pad. Just buy these. These are on Swiggy available. These are by this brand called as Plush, and let me just tell you, 100% cotton. I'm not sure if it has lead or not, but most retail brands do. I still have to search that, but it's so not comfortable. It does not give me rashes. Also, it's not paid promotion. Why do I keep saying that? I don't understand, but you get the point. These are very good pads. It's very light but soaks up a lot. Also, they come with 2 panty liners. If you don't know, panty liners are like small pads. Just think them of this long, not more than that. And the point is for you to literally use it every single day, so when the white part comes out, it doesn't dirty your underwear. But yeah, this also comes with 2 panty liners. So basically what I do is till my 5th or 6th day, till my heavy flu, I'll be using this, and for 7th and 8th I'll be using the panty liners. So my underwear doesn't get dirty, I don't waste more product, more pads. This, very good. Also, they did have a combo offer, so I did get panty liners. I really want to like up my ante with personal and hygiene care. Coming to that, I've invested in this Philips trim on. Now, I don't use it on my bikini region because it's said that because I do get laser. But anyways, I use this on my legs because sometimes I really do not want to shave. And shaving just is irritating. I have seen that if I rotate between trimming and waxing, my hair growth incredibly decreases. And I do wear skirts a lot, so I'll have to trim or shave and do whatever. But this, I've seen that this comes with, this is not opening right now, but this comes with this attachment. So basically you use the big attachment for bigger hairs and this attachment to make it more smooth. That's what you do. Also, it comes with a cell, so you don't have to charge it. I recently invested in a face lifter. I got this from Amazon because I was very curious and like it looked like a gimmick, okay? But no, it's not. It's not a gimmick. It's by this brand called KDK. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very gimmicky packaging, but everything works fine. Everything works fine. Everything does its jobs. Basically, it comes with no speed. It comes with just one speed, one off button and on button. This is on. Look at my skin vibrate. Also, if you're like, Akshita, your hands are dirty, your face is full of makeup, why are you applying? You can wash this baby. All I do is I take a little bit of Dettol on my tissues, I wipe it, then again I take a clean towel and wipe it, and again I'll take like a wet towel and wipe it and then use it on my face. That's what I do every single time. Look closely what it'll do. Also, the sound is annoying, I know that, and it just reminds you of something else, but shut the fuck up. Go very slowly. This is the neck attachment. It comes with 3 other attachments. Do you see the lift? Yeah. You get my point. It comes with 2 different attachments. This one is around the eyes. This one is for your face and it's little concave. Also, this you don't have to charge. It comes with a battery. That's it for the June recommendations. I hope you guys liked it. So like, share and subscribe. Good night. Did I give you a perfume recommendation? I don't think so, but my favorite has to be Paris, London, New York from West Side. It is always that. And the travel size, let me just tell you, it leaks but it smells so good.